Do that by applying a Kubernetes config file with kubectl apply. And finally, we'll be able to join our node to the cluster by running a join command on the Kubernetes node server. So now I'm logged into linuxacademy.com, and I'm going to show you how to set up a couple of cloud servers using the specialized image for Kubernetes. And I'm going to click on this Cloud Servers tab here. And under Distribution, I'm going to select Cloud Native Kubernetes. That's that specialized image that I want to use. So I'm going to select that, and then I will go here and click Create Server. And I don't actually need this information, so I'm just going to click Don't Show Again. And I need to set up two servers, so this first specify a real password for this server. So once I specify the real password, it's going to disconnect me, and I need to SSH again. And this time I can log in using the new password that I specified. Contents of this YAML file in the description to this video, so you can get it from there. A couple important things: --config and kube-config, which is the file that I just created. And you do need to run this as a sudo command. And I'll enter my password. Now, this initialization might take a couple minutes, so I'll go ahead and fast forward through this. And now my Kubernetes master node is initialized. Next thing I need to do is I need to run these commands right here. And what these do is they copy some configuration files to my home directory that will allow me to use kubectl. If I use it right now, I'm just doing a kubectl get nodes. It's not going to be able to authenticate with my Kubernetes installation because it is not configured appropriately for my account. So I'm just going to run these commands right here, and I'll just copy and paste them. And now that I've run those commands, I can do that kubectl get nodes again. And this time it actually works. Right now, I only have one node, and it's currently in the not ready state. So the next thing we need to do is set up our networking. And luckily, there's a Kubernetes template file out on GitHub that we can use for Flannel to install Flannel networking in our cluster via the default pods. These pods are part of the kube system namespace, and they run on the Kubernetes master, as well as my Kubernetes API server, the controller, and all these other things. So now I have a working and running